Artificial intelligence, or AI, is everywhere, recommending movies, powering voice assistants, even driving cars. We marvel at its abilities, beating chess champions, generating art, writing poetry. It's tempting to think AI is truly intelligent, maybe even smarter than us. But here's the simple truth. AI is brilliant at specific tasks, yet often fails at the basics. What's missing? Common sense, the unspoken rules and intuitive knowledge every human child picks up naturally. Common sense lets us understand context, read between the lines, and make reasonable judgments. For example, we know you can't use a rope to push a car, or that feeling blue means someone is sad. This intuitive grasp of the world is what makes us adaptable and resilient. Without it, even the most powerful AI can seem strangely clueless. It can solve complex math in a flash, but stumble over a simple riddle. This gap between AI's specialized brilliance and its lack of general understanding is one of the biggest challenges in artificial intelligence today. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, its lack of common sense isn't just quirky, it's a real limitation. AI's failures can be funny and revealing. Ask an AI to draw a fish swimming in the sky, and you'll get a beautiful, nonsensical image. The AI knows fish, swimming, and sky, but not that fish need water. In language, it might fumble with pronouns. Jane gave a banana to a monkey, and she was happy. Who's happy? A human knows. AI often doesn't. Self-driving cars can spot stop signs and pedestrians, but what if someone in a chicken costume crosses the street? The AI might freeze, while a human just waits. AI finds patterns, like thousands of dog photos, but doesn't know dogs bark or chase balls. It only knows what it's seen in its training data, so it's easily confused by the unexpected. The gap between data and real understanding is still wide. So, what is common sense? It's not just one skill, but a mix of knowledge, intuition, and reasoning. Part of it is naive physics, our gut sense of how the world works. We know dropped objects fall, and solids can't pass through each other. We learn these rules as babies, just by living and playing. Another part is naive psychology, understanding how people think and feel. We can guess what others want or believe, and pick up on tone and context. Common sense is also a web of general knowledge. Paris is in France, birds fly, stoves cook food. For us, it's invisible but essential. For AI, it's the missing glue that holds intelligence together. Why does AI struggle with common sense? It's all about how it learns. Most AI systems use machine learning. They're fed huge amounts of data and learn to spot patterns. An AI can identify cats after seeing millions of labeled images, but it doesn't know what a cat is in the real world. It has no body, no senses, no way to interact with its environment. Humans learn by doing, touching, tasting, moving, experimenting. We build a rich, intuitive model of the world through experience. AI, by contrast, learns from text and images, like trying to swim by reading about it. Much of our common sense is never written down, it's just assumed. AI can't learn what isn't in its data. Even massive databases of facts can't capture the endless, subtle rules we take for granted. Common sense also requires reasoning, not just pattern matching. That's why AI often fails when faced with something new or unexpected. To bridge the gap, researchers are rethinking how AI learns. One approach: let AI learn by interacting with virtual worlds, like a child playing. In these simulations, AI can move, manipulate objects, and see the results, building a more grounded sense of physics. Another strategy: teach AI about cause and effect, not just patterns. If AI understands that lightning causes thunder, it can reason about what-if scenarios. Building these causal models is tough, but crucial for real understanding. Researchers are also building common-sense knowledge graphs, structured maps of how everyday concepts connect. For example, linking bird to has wings to can fly. Combining these approaches, learning from text, images, interaction, and structured knowledge, could help AI develop a more human-like understanding. The goal: create machines that learn like we do, through observation, experimentation, and social interaction. It's a slow, complex process, but essential for true intelligence. Teaching common sense to AI is like reverse engineering the basics of being human. If we give AI true common sense, the impact could be transformative. Technology would feel more natural, home assistants that understand emotion, robots that navigate our messy world. In medicine, AI could consider a patient's life context, not just lab results. Robots could safely help at home, knowing not to mop around a sleeping cat or put metal in the microwave. These advances could free us from tedious tasks and unlock new possibilities. But there's a flip side. Common sense AI could also manipulate, deceive, or exploit us. An AI that understands people deeply could craft perfect scams or propaganda. As we build smarter machines, we must build in safeguards and ethics. The quest for common sense in AI is also a journey to understand ourselves. What's obvious to a child is the product of evolution and experience. Achieving true common sense in AI may take decades, but it will teach us as much about ourselves as about machines. The future could be a wonderful partnership if we proceed with both ambition and caution.